how to see deleted messages on Telegram group. Now, whether or not you are an admin of a certain Telegram group, maybe you aren't the admin of a group, you are just a regular member of that group and you want to see the deleted messages by other members in a Telegram group, unfortunately it is not possible to see the messages which has been deleted by other users, even in a group or even in private conversations. Now, this is because Telegram removes them from all the users. If you're an administrator, you may see the deleted messages for a limited time, like maybe up to 48 hours in the recent actions or admin log. And to see the past messages after they've been permanently deleted, you can ask other members to resend the content or use third-party recovery tools which have a lower success rate, and that's why I wouldn't really recommend them. So unfortunately, hopefully in the future, if Telegram might come up with such an update, I'll also make sure to update you about it. But until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.